Welcome to your daily current affairs digest for 3rd August 2026. Everything you need for SSC, UPSC, PCs, and banking exams, all in one place. Now, economy and finance. Container ship loses control while leaving Cochin port, moored safely. The ship has been moored at Ernakulam Wharf Q7 since the incident, and will leave the premises only after repair works. As TVK government prepares first agri-budget, farmers, traders pitch reforms for water, markets. Shivganga graphite sales affected due to import from China, Tanzania, says Minister T.K. Prabhu. 2 more QNET representatives arrested in Hyderabad investment fraud case. India Autism Centre seeks GST exemption for disability support services, calls tax a barrier to inclusion. White paper released by IAC argues that taxing therapy and rehabilitation increases the financial burden on families and seeks a service-based approach instead of disability severity thresholds. Bhogapuram Airport a historic chapter for Uttarandhra, says Union Civil Aviation Minister. The new international airport will open up unprecedented opportunities in investment, tourism, trade, industry and employment, while placing the region prominently on the global map, says Ram Mohan Naidu. Now, environment and ecology. Monsoon breathes new life into Nalla Cheruvu in Uppal. The restored lake now holds abundant rainwater after years of pollution and neglect, showcasing Hyderabad's vision of combining lake conservation with flood mitigation and public recreation. Plea to prevent pollution of Vegi River and the surrounding areas of Pushpavaneswara Temple. Body of one of the fish workers missing from Muthlapoji recovered. Freeman's body was recovered from Kannanthura, around 23 kilometers away from Muthalaloji during a joint search operation of the Indian Coast Guard, Coastal Police and the Marine Enforcement Wing. Forest Department starts collating all illegally geotagged locations in Kerala forests. Of late, we have been dealing with many such cases of illegal entry of individuals into the forests and eventually carrying out the subsequent rescue activities when they get trapped, said Kozhikode DFO. That's all for today. Good luck with your exam preparation, and see you tomorrow.